Dilihat case-wise.
Lakmi Linti baka seng Congress ke jela kan ne bet ha ka Executive Committee jong ka KHADC balayalam da ka NPP watla kaladon ke jing tmu kham menshwa ban weng no uhe ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent H Pala ula penpau ba kimla bantan ya ke jing kershan jongki da ka ba kubur ya ke jing ya pra ka bala ban mi ula pensyai baka rai baningkong jongki ban penyaso baka kenhon senrop sensyar kadai namar ke jingkwa ban penkelai ke kernit ke bahenriu haba penkesan ya ke kerdan jongki kom ka National Party upala ula kedau bakino-kino ki rai ken donkam ya ke jingpet benia ba jing menjur na ka AICC da ka ba pen scam baka jing perkhat kadang sa ban pentikna baki jing pen kela ken long ki ba hok bat ki ba mentoy na ka benta ki pat ba.
But we thought that why should we surrender? Whatever come what may be, we should not surrender. We should protect the interests of the people of Meghalaya by involving in the amendment. I think the amendment is in the process, it's not yet over. Discussions, the center, the state and the council is in the process. So we cannot leave halfway. We cannot have both. We know the pressure of people, we know the emotion of the people, but leaving the people halfway in case if they re-manipulated, and then without our knowledge, I think it's not fair on our part.